question: who is an intelligent trader? Okay, and who is a foolish trader? Okay, intelligent trader versus foolish trader. All right. So who are they? Who are they? These are the questions you want to ask. Okay, who are they? Are you an intelligent trader? Okay, are you an intelligent trader or are you a foolish trader? Are you a foolish trader? All right, or intelligence trader? Okay, or intelligence trader. Okay, so follow me right now. Okay, follow me right now. All right, so now here is it, guy. Here is it. Here is it. You have intelligent traders, they have foolish traders. Okay, so if you're watching me like live right now, I think more and more people are joining us live. Okay, on OB Global or on OB Exchange. So if you're watching me right now, I want you to hit the follow button. All right, don't continue to watch except you hit the follow button. Okay, right now, last time I checked, I have over 3,000 followers on OB. I don't want it to be more, like 4,000, 5,000 followers. You guys can do it. You can do it. So let's talk about intelligent trader. Okay, if you're watching on YouTube also, ensure that you hit subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, because that is how you can ensure that you do not miss the value that I share with human race. Yeah, it's one of the best things that can happen to you this year. Trust me about that. Trust me on that. Okay, because I've been adding value, massive value to people's life. I can show you. I can show you right now. I can show you some updates, some signals that I dropped in the Telegram channel, and how those signals actually pan out. All right. So that's why I said you have to follow me. You have to subscribe. You have to be in my tribe. You have to be in my community, right? So let's go. Let's talk about intelligence trader. Number one, okay, an intelligence trader is a trader who understands that everything you are seeing on this chart is being created by human being, not by uh, alien or something of such, not by mystery or mystery figure or something. Okay, they are a reflection of human behavior. Okay, everything that you see on the chart, it is 100% a reflection of human behavior and human psychology. All right. Um, a chart is a graphical representation of what me as a trader and you as a trader, what you are doing every day. A monthly candle, let me switch this to monthly candle. Okay, a monthly candlestick is a representation of our monthly activities, our struggle trading a specific pair. All right, it is a graphical representation of it. Our buy, sell, buy, sell, our buy, sell, and our conclusion about the value of DAG, for instance. Okay, about the value of DAG. Look at this. This month, the candle is yet to close, or let me say, like 2 months ago, okay, all right, 2 or 3 months ago, this candle closed as a bearish candle. It is a representation of what people think about DAG, how valuable it is to them, and as you can see, it doesn't actually hold more value to majority of the traders. Okay, there are some who are still going to be believing in it. Probably they're buying it, but majority are selling. Okay, the biggest player, sometimes it will not really be the majority. Okay, it could just be that the biggest players are what they are selling, and that's it. Okay, so remember this every time. What you see on the chart again, is a graphical representation of human behavior, human interaction, human valuation in the market. Whether it is cryptocurrency market, it is forex market, it is stocks market, okay, whatever market it is, okay, that is the essence of a graph. Okay, a chart is a graph. XYZ, okay, XYZ on a chart, okay, on a graph, and that's it. All right. So if that is the case, you should be having it in mind. Okay, look at the weekly time frame too. Okay, every candle represents 1 week, and it represents human activity, human belief, okay, human conviction, human psychology, human emotion. Everything is embedded in a candle. All right. So, and if you switch to the daily candle also, it's still the same thing. All right, it's still the same thing, like you're saying. Okay, when they believe that it is valuable, then they drove the price up. They kept buying it. And when they believe that it is now less valuable, and they dropped it. Okay, some people will say, oh, there is manipulation. There is, well, there may be manipulation. I can't dispute that. Okay, but who are the people who are manipulating the market? They are robots. Oh, they are human beings like you. Even though they are using robots to manipulate the market, you know, human beings are still the source of the instruction that goes out to the AI, that goes out to robots that trade the market. All right. So these are things that you need to have at the back of your mind. Okay, these are things that you need to have at the back of your mind. Now look at this. Now you can see at this point, let me show you something real quick. Okay, human beings are getting exhausted. All right, you know, they are just, this looks like a boring price action. Like if you've traded on this particular day about 4 days, it happened for like 4 days. Okay, if you've been trading that time, then you feel bored. Like, every day you're checking the price is not moving. It's because the human beings who are trading, they are tired, like you, because it feels bored to you, it feels bored to others too. Okay, so you see a boring price action. Like, what is happening for real? Come on, what is happening? This is not moving, just hovering about the same point. They are getting exhausted. Okay, people that drove the markets to this point, okay, sorry about that. People that drove the markets to this point, they are exhausted. Simple, simple. All right. So you have a boring price action. So let me tell you, let me give you a tip. Okay, let me give you a hint. And this hint, I believe, is going to make a massive uh is going to make a massive difference in your life. All right. Every time that you are analyzing the markets, have it at the back of your mind that you are analyzing human behavior. You are analyzing human psychology. Okay. If you see human being in every candle you are seeing, and you are imagining the humans behind it, it gives you an unfair advantage. Okay, let me type it: unfair advantage. Okay, it gives you unfair advantage. So if you're watching me now, hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Keep pumping it up, man. Keep pumping it up. I can see the Bitcoin emoji, HT emoji, love emoji, laughter emoji. You know, you know, blushing emoji is there, like emoji is there. Keep pumping them up, man. All right. Then don't forget to hit the follow button at the top of this live stream. Okay, right here at the top. Hit that follow button and join the rest of over 3,000 followers that are following me on Obi right now. Okay, join them. Be a part of the tribe. Join my group. My group is getting close to 7,000 members right now. Join that group. All right. Okay, that's how you can keep tab on me. You can keep watching me like every day. Okay, so let's continue with what we do with the reason why we are here for today. Now, um, you should be seeing humans on the charts. Okay, that's how to analyze the chart intelligently. Okay, I repeat, intelligently. All right. Yesterday, I was having a conversation with my students, at the Trade to Earn bootcamp. Okay, because it's a bootcamp where I manufacture new traders. Okay, new traders and new market analysts. Okay, within 3 weeks, then I mentor them for 6 months extra. Okay, for 6 months extra until they become better. And I support them with signals and trade update also. All right, so it's a robust package. So now I was having a discussion with them, and I told one of them that Bitcoin will crash. Where is the chart? Let me see. Let me see if I can find the chart here. The chart is not here. Let me unpin this. Okay, I will unpin this also. I will unpin this also. Then I'll search for Bitcoin chart. Let's go to BTC charts. All right, BTC charts. Okay, you see, I told them there was an exhaustion right here. Okay, exhaustion right here. I told them in the class. You know, that was about probably 2 days ago, something. Okay, and it actually happened. Okay, what did you see on the chart? I told them that 28,000 on the table. Okay, 20,000 is on the table. Okay, and we're like, man, is this possible? Because what they are hearing on Twitter is like Bitcoin will pump more. What are you? No, forget about those things you are hearing. If you are listening to what people are saying all the time, then you are not an independent trader. Okay, we are traders that depend on knowledge of other traders. Okay, if they fail, you fail. If they succeed, you succeed. All right. So, but why would you do that yourself when you can have access to the river of knowledge and drink from it and become knowledgeable by yourself? Okay. So I told them there's an exhaustion right here, and you can see that exhaustion is playing out. Okay. This is a boring price action. Okay, this is a boring price action, and they are getting exhausted. All right, so I use this charts to teach. I use this charts to teach them in class. To show them some stuffs. Things that will improve their chances of success massively. All right, and some of them are actually making good trade now, good setup, and good signals, and probably I may actually end up depending on their signal later on. Like I wait for them to drop some updates, and then I take that trade because they are now where I want them to be. All right, so you should be looking at the charts from the perspective that it is human interaction, because you cannot see every one of them. Probably you have over 10 million traders across the world every day. There's no I can see every one of them and know what they are doing. The only way we can know what they are doing is through the charts. And chart does not lie. Okay? Chart does not lie. That is the only way you can see their trades. Okay? And when you are analyzing that trade, don't do it in isolation. Okay? That is how to become an intelligent trader. Okay? Don't be a foolish trader. Alright. So now, let me even type it here. Intelligent trader versus foolish trader. This to me anyway, this is a very exciting topic, honestly. Okay, intelligence, sorry, intelligent traders versus foolish trader. You have to be among, you have to be one of them. Okay, either you're intelligent or you're foolish. Either of them. That's the truth. Okay, so that is it. Let me even make this bigger. Let me increase the size. No, not this. Let me make it like 24. Yeah, so they can sit on your screen. Okay, that's the topic. Intelligent trader versus foolish trader. Okay, so an intelligent trader will open a trade with 10% of his capital. That is a foolish trader. Okay, but an intelligent trader will make a trade with probably 1 to 2%, a maximum of 3% of his capital, especially on futures markets. Okay, an intelligent trader is highly conservative. I repeat, an intelligent trader is highly conservative. All right, because he knew that if he could manage his downside properly, okay, he's aware that profits will take care of itself. Let me repeat that again. Okay, if you manage your risk properly, all right, in other words, if you manage your risk properly, okay, if you manage your risk, I repeat, properly, then there's an assurance, that sooner or later profit is going to come to you. But the moment that you lose your capital, okay, you have no chance of fighting back again. Okay, you are wrecked. You have no capital to take advantage of the future price action. Okay, the future trade opportunities. Okay, then that's a foolish trader. I'm sorry about that. Okay, that is not an intelligent trader. All right. So guys, hit the like button, man. Keep pumping it. I want to see 1,000 likes, 1,000 likes. Keep pressing it. Press it hard. Press it hard. Okay, harder. All right. So you must be an intelligent trader. Okay, and you must be an intelligent trader and a long-term and sustainable intelligent trader. Okay, you shouldn't be intelligent today, then you become foolish tomorrow. All right. Don't be an intelligent trader today, then you become a foolish trader tomorrow. Okay, it's still not going to help you in any way whatsoever. All right. So, having said this, you should be mindful of what you do in the market, because to be honest with you, people talk about manipulation. Oh, it's manipulated. My stop loss got hit. The market does not actually is not against you. Okay, the market is not always against you. Before you open that trade, you are already against yourself. You saw a signal in a signal group, in a signal channel, okay, that Bitcoin is going to pump to $45,000. Then you decide to use 15% of your capital or 25% of your capital to open that trade with the hope that the return will be massive. Man, that is not intelligence. That is foolishness. Okay? Are you intelligent? No. Are you foolish? Yes. Because you have thrown caution to the winds. You have thrown caution to the dogs. Like the dogs should hit that caution. All right. That is not the way forward. Okay. And that is never the best way to be about it. All right. That is number 2. Number 3, an intelligent trader understands the fact that it doesn't control the markets. Okay. It's only another player. In fact, the smallest of all the players, because we have hedge funds who are trading, we have institutionalized funds who are trading, we have exchange funds, yeah, quote me anywhere, who are trading. All right, because whatever exchange makes through the trading fees, all right, they have to sell. So where do you want to sell? Honestly, you want to sell at the my 2 markets? No, they sell in the crypto exchange too, whether DEX or SEC or whatever. Okay, so we have whales, individual, corporate organizations, groups that have access to several millions of dollars to trade. How much are you trading with? 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 500,000. Okay, so you should be aware that they can sell at any point in time and they can buy at any point in time. And their activities in the market, it can be overwhelming. One, and it is usually massive. Okay, and it's usually produce big candles. You can see these big candles here, big candles here. Okay, big candle here. Someone actually pumped this, and dumped it accordingly. That's it. You should be aware of this kind of action, price action. Okay, someone actually pumped it here also and dumped it. Okay, you know, dumped, dumped, then bought again. All right. So when you accept these facts, okay, then an intelligent trader will always protect himself against these occurrences, these events, because these events, they are inevitable. Okay, let me help you understand that inevitability is something I cannot avoid. Okay, hunger, for instance, is inevitable. You must be hunger. You must feel hungry. Okay, you must feel hungry. Sleep is inevitable. You must sleep. All right. Breathing is as long as you are living. Breathing is inevitable. You must breathe. All right. So in crypto markets, for trade to go against you, it's inevitable because you don't control the markets. So trade must always go against you. All right. So you must have an insurance. Okay. Every position that you will open, you need to insure it. In a similar way that you insure your cars, you insure your houses and the rest of them. You must insure that car. Okay. You must insure your house. And people have health insurance. People have life insurance. Okay. They have all of these insurance covers. All right. So for that reason, you must use stop loss as insurance. You must use stop loss as a protection layer so that if trade should go against you, then your stop loss will take you out of the markets. Okay, and protect your capital. All right. So I know that sometimes your stop loss will hit. You probably lose some bucks, some dollars, and the trade might just reverse back and start going in your direction. Okay, but your stop loss will always hit. Okay, but the frequency at which your stop loss is hit can only be minimized by having a deeper knowledge of the markets. Okay, by having a deeper knowledge of what? Of the markets. Okay, look at this week on the chart. Only this week, it's a week. It's not the body of candle, for God's sake. Sorry, I want to mention this. Can I say? Only this week makes up how many percent? Okay, 15.41%. Okay, and this week you're looking at is more than half of the body of this candle. All right. When you see a week like this, you start shouting, "Hey, manipulation! Oh, manipulation!" All right, like you got tapped out. Okay, you got tapped out of it. All right, and your stop loss will be hit, bam, and that's it. Then it goes back. Oh my God! So you should prepare for every eventualities when you are trading the market. That is how to become an intelligent trader. Okay, that again is how to become an intelligent trader. And also, an intelligent trader keeps learning, but is not a perpetual learner. Let me repeat that. An intelligent trader keeps learning, but is not a perpetual trader. For instance, you have people who have learned about SMC. SMC is a trading strategy that has to do with smart money. Okay. Now, he learned price action, he learned price history, and every other trading strategies. But he's not sticking to one. He has not spent time practicing only one, like sticking to one. He has been moving from pillar to post. Some of you when you are in university, you have friends like that. Friends that always learn this, learn that, even up to now. A friend that will learn this trade today, tomorrow will learn Facebook advertisement, next week we will learn YouTube advertisement, another time we will learn graphic design, another time we will learn how to write, another time we will learn video editing, another time we will learn voice voice acting. Another time you will learn ebook creation. Another time you learn, So just that's like running from pillar to post. So being focused is an undervalued skill set. Is an undervalued attribute in trading. Okay, it's an undervalued characteristics of a trader. Okay, so I am more of a price action trader, and I've been sticking to this. There are people who are SMC traders. That's their strategy, and it's working for them. All right, it's working for them. And there are people who are only, let me say, they are only, what's it called? Price readers, prices traders, and it's working for them. There are people who only depend on fundamental analysis, news for their trading, and it's working for them. Okay, it's working for them. So why would you, for God's sake, why would you be running from pillar to post? Only you have 100 mentors in the crypto world. Okay, you are following like up to like 5,000 people on Twitter, and among them you have 500, you have 100 mentors among them. Okay, you get info from this, and you look, you appear confusing. You are confusing yourself. Let me ask you again: is that a measure of intelligence? Okay, the problem right now in the world is no longer scarcity of information; is selective learning. You cherry pick what you want to learn. Okay, so if you do not know how to cherry pick, if you don't know how to discern, okay, discernment is a very valuable skill right now. Okay, then you keep running from pillar to post, and that will overall cumulatively is going to make you a foolish trader. All right, so you have to prepare your mind against all of these things. All right, you have to prepare your mind against all of these things, because becoming an intelligent trader, it takes a whole lot of effort. Okay, a whole lot of effort. So I've been there for some years. I think probably from 2018, 2019. I was always running from pillar to post. I will see this strategy, I will learn it. I will see another one, I will learn it. You know, Later I sat down, I asked myself, this is not making sense anymore. Okay. I can barely have 40% win rate, for God's sake. For God's sake. Okay. So, and also, an intelligent trader will wait for trade to come to them. Let me repeat. An intelligent trader will wait for trade to come to them. Let me show you something real quick. Let me show you something. This is this is a Telegram channel for crypto. This is where I share tons and tons of updates, every week. Look at this trade. Let me open it on my. Look at this trade. Okay, can you see? I dropped this trade on what day was that? On what? Some days ago, anyways. Let me check. Let me check the date again. That was April 16th. Okay, April 16th. I dropped this update on April 16th. And I said this is going to be the possible move of Cardano. Okay. And this is an important zone for Cardano. Go back to that live stream. Okay. And if you're watching on YouTube now, go back to that video. It's on the channel. Okay. If you're watching on OB, go back to that live stream. Go to my profile, and check the live I've done. It is there. So I said this is going to be the next possible move of Ada. People are like, man, Cardano has hooking up. It's going to pump. The pump is long overdue. I said, well, to me, this is my analysis. Okay. And some of my guys in the crypto niche group on WhatsApp, that that saw this update, some of them actually opened a position. When the guy opened the position, he opened a short position, and right they had I think minus 20% loss brought down right there. He sent me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, he said he's now scared, he's now losing minus 20, minus 15. I said, come on, guys, be patient. Be patient. Don't trade like a gambler. You don't open a position and start running Eta and Skelter. It shows you have not done your homework at all. Because that is why you are running Eta and Skelter. Alright. If you've done your homework, Okay, you stick to the guns, you stick to your trade, you stick with it. Okay, so I dropped this update on this day. Okay, so what do you see now? Let's go down the memory lane. Okay, then yesterday, what happened yesterday? Look at it. All right, look at it. And his trade actually, was able to take some quick profit. He was able to take some quick profit from there. He made profits. Okay, and the data shared the profit with me like, oh, it made so amount of dollar through that trade. All right. So you have to be patient. Trading is a game of patience. Now look at this. Let me show you something real quick. Let me show you something real quick. Cardano. Okay, look at it. Okay, look at it. Okay, this is a trade, right? Okay, I said it's gonna move like this. Okay, and this is where I'm gonna have my buy order. Trust me. Trust me. We are not done yet. All right. So that is analysis. I even did the analysis live. Live. There's nothing to be scared of. Live. Okay. So as a trader, you should be patient. As a trader, that patience sometimes is a measure of intelligence. To be honest with you, okay, it's sometimes a measure of intelligence. So you have to be patient with your trades. Don't be too, don't be too scared, be too fearful. Okay, you are scared because you have no knowledge. You have lack of knowledge. You have inadequate knowledge. Let me say that because your knowledge of the market is inadequate. That is why you are scared. All right. That's why you open a position. Every hour you are checking it. Why? You don't even allow your trade to breathe. Your stop loss is too tight. Man, stop that. That is not a level. That is not intelligent trading. All right. Guys, hit the like button, man. Follow me, that's how to benefit from me a whole lot. I tell the truth the way it is, okay, and it might actually hurt you a little bit, but it's going to be beneficial to you over the long term. All right. So hit the follow button right now, okay. Follow me on OB. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. And there's going to be a link to the Telegram channel, okay, in the video description or the video comment on YouTube. Hit that, hit that button and join the channel right there. Okay, join right there. So if you are watching me on Obi, okay, and you like to be a part of, probably you are active on Telegram, okay. If you're active on Telegram and you like to be a part of the community, what you have to do is very simple. Okay, let me show you what you have to do. Let me show you. Let me demonstrate it. You have to use hearts. Search for, on your app, your mobile app right now. Okay, search for crypto. Let me use Catalyst as you can see it. Search for crypto niche underscore. Don't use hyphen, no. Don't use hyphen, use underscore. Okay, underscore hang out. There's S. Okay, then this public channel will come up. It's a public channel for God's sake. It will come up. Then click on it and subscribe. That's it. Okay, subscribe, turn on notification for every post, and that's all you have to do. All right. So probably you're active on YouTube. Okay, all you have to do basically is to go to YouTube. Okay, when you get to YouTube, okay, then you search for crypto niche also. Okay, search for crypto niche channel. Okay, use a mobile app. The YouTube app is okay. Okay, then search for it now. You can see there is a channel right here with 1.78k subscribers. Okay, this is a channel you have to join. Okay, this was available. This was made available yesterday. Look at the technical analysis and price prediction of Cardano. Can you see right here? This is the video. All right. So you should be an intelligent trader, and I've shown you things you have to do to become an intelligent trader. So if you have any question for me, you can let me know in the live chat box. I'll be glad to respond to your question. Okay. I'll be glad. I'll be glad to respond to your questions. I'll be glad, glad, glad to answer your questions. Well, this is a live stream. It's going to be fun, okay? It's a live stream. I don't have to be too serious, all right? I have to make it as as interesting as possible. Okay, so I'm waiting for your question. Where is your question? If you don't have question, okay, okay, all right. Let me see. Does anyone have any questions so far based on what I've shared with you today before we say goodbye? All right, before we say goodbye. Okay, any one of you, nobody else. Okay, so I don't believe that my teachings are simple to understand. You know, then you're able to understand everything I've shared with you, right? So I'm gonna be seeing you guys again probably tomorrow or some other time. Okay, so bye for now and have a fantastic weekend. Oh, today is Thursday. Okay, not weekend.